paper?
Yes, but I think one packet enough, right?
It will be better if you can take 2. You see, lot of people buying toilet paper.
Yes, but why are they buying so much?
How do I know? I grabbed some instant noodles and sauces.
That's great, ma'am. The toilet paper we always use has no stock already. Luckily, I got one. Otherwise, we get nothing.
So fast finish?
Yes, you see, in this big supermarket, it's also hard to move. Very crowded. But I managed to take 2 trays of egg. I saw so many people take 5 or 6 trays.
It's good. I can only get 2 packets of Korean instant noodles. And Abang loves to eat them. What a shame.
I need to get more cooking oil and Maggi chili.
For what?
For cooking.
My God. I thought they were only aunties who are kiasu. My helper was one of them.
Since my employer work from home, I face a new challenge. I need to listen to more than 2 different voices at the same time. 1. TV in the living room. 2. Radio on the dining table. 3. My mom talk to me.
What are you doing?
Preparing to cook in the house, ma'am.
So early?
So many things need to be prepared, ma'am.
Wait, do you know that you still cannot go out on Sunday? You can rest on Sunday, but cannot go out or with your friend.
Why cannot go out on Sunday?
The COVID-19 is invisible. You cannot tell whether the person that you meet is infected by virus or not outside the house.
How long will it take? Is it until the virus is gone or until my contract is finished? I hear I can go out after phase 2 is open.
I'm not sure. What I do now is protecting my family from the virus. Also, you need to always check the plants. Make sure to always keep it clean.
Yes, ma'am. But what is the matter between the plant and the virus?
Dengue!
Is dengue also spreading now?
Yes! Maybe because there's so many construction sites stop their work. Don't you read the news?
I did. COVID-19 news.
Read about dengue also. You will learn how many is spreading out there.
True. Dengue also a dangerous virus.
The situation is confusing. In one corner, dengue picking on us. In another corner, COVID-19 attacking us. What do you think?
I think maybe is it because the foreign workers that usually clean the void deck or park never come to work. That is why mosquitoes are breeding faster.
I told you already. Now I was wondering when they will come back to work.
Maybe after all of them get the COVID-19 test. How can we expect something that beyond our authorities?
Do you know what authority are?
Abang said authorities are something that belongs to him.
You always listen to Abang nonsense, and you become one of the nonsense too. Do you know how much swab test for COVID-19 costs?
I don't know, ma'am.
It's very expensive. You better behave.
The insurance will cover for it, right, ma'am? If I never went to the affected areas or met the people who are from those areas, it will be okay, ma.
I don't know. I need to call insurance agency and ask about it. What I'm saying, you better don't meet your friend. Who know, one of them carrying the virus.
Hospital fees in Singapore are expensive, especially for foreigners like me.
That's why I'm telling you now, behave. And one more thing, don't get sick, huh?
Ayo, muscle also will break down. Singapore is one of many ways to reach achievement and a better future. It's not as easy as most people think. We face difficulties in our job. On the other hand, we have to adapt with Singapore's culture and all the rules here.